Milk Frother Handheld, SAYESO battery-operated electric coffee frother milk streamer foam maker for latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate, mini drink mixer with durable stainless steel Whisk black. Professional kitchen and barista mate, SAYESO handheld milk frother is a high-quality portable handheld milk frother to be a perfect coffee friend for latte, cappuccino, macchiato, matcha, hot chocolate, bulletproof coffee or even whipped eggs. Whether you're entertaining yourself or family or sending as a gift to loved one, frothing foam for your favorite beverage with creamy, thick, velvety froth in 10 to 15 seconds, we believe you will like it. Great power and remarkable durability. With 304 rust-resistant stainless steel, you don't need to worry about physical damage to the product. Under a powerful 12,000 RPM motor that froth your desired foam in as fast as 15 seconds. Using 2 AA batteries, long-lasting durability allows you to enjoy special foamy coffee at home, office, and journey easily. No time, space restrictions, you can enjoy great cappuccino anytime and anywhere. Ultra-portable and extreme convenient, exquisite SAYESO handheld milk frother is easy to store and carry. You can take it anywhere. Take it to the office to make a great cappuccino in the morning. When you travel, you can take it to share yummy milk coffee with friends and have a good leisure time. Extreme convenient to operate, just one simple touch to get it worked instantly. Our durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, with a compact electric design. Ergonomic design and easy to clean, ergonomic design in black color to fit into any modern kitchen. It is lightweight and has ergonomically designed soft touch handle. To clean this SAYESO handheld milk frother, just put the wand in running water and briefly turn it on, instantly clean. It can be used to froth other liquids besides hot milk. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.